Hi, okay, we're going to be installing our quick install seat cover here. It's got 3 elastics at the back here. It's got one on that goes on the inside that velcros to the back, and one that's on the back of the side that goes down between the cushion and the plastic molding. So this is meant to be a quick install to save time when you do a bunch of trucks. It's only for the F series right now, but we'll be working at it for fleet applications and other models and brands. So, and the front has a lip that will hook around the front of the cover. So I've removed the headrest, and we're going to go ahead and put it on. See how much time we can do it. Pop the headrest through, and I've given it enough room to pull it forward so that you can slide the side of the cover in. It's quite tight in here, so it works really quickly and nicely if you can just start feeding it at the front and then pull it back. And we've given the cover lots of room to go and do that. And there you go. And then the front is pulled up so that the front lip is cupping it, so it won't pop off. Works really nicely. Then I stuff the back with the 3 elastics through. And you can see the cover pulling right in there as I'm doing this. So it tucks into the molding of the seat really nicely. And then I take the side elastic, I'm going to drop that through here. I just take that and push it through. You can feel a nice space between there that allows you to drop it without too much trouble. Now I take my hooks, and I can easily find, hopefully, the 3 elastics here. So I've got one here. And you don't have to release the bib, this being the bib that goes from the back of the backrest down underneath. And there's lots of stuff underneath here, lots of little metal listings to attach these two. So it's actually quite quick to do. Okay, and then we have the other ones here. One. And of course, as you do this, you're gonna get a bit better at it than me. 1, 2. Just gotta find that 3rd one here. 1, 2. Should be one right here somewhere. There it is. So usually it'd be quicker to find than that. So when we did it, okay, and this anywhere there. Make sure it's a metal listing, and there we go. Yep, beautiful. Okay, and then we'll do the side one here that I've tucked down. Hopefully I can access that easily. Oh, there it is. So it's pretty easy to access these elastics. And then I pull it across here, give it nice tension, and attach it again to, there's lots of metal listings here to attach it to. There we go. And then the side one, we'll just reach through and pass it through. And with this, it's a, you pop it here, we can, it's an elastic with Velcro on the side of it, and we just tuck that through, and we should be able to attach it right here. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, there it is, nice and easy to get a hold of. And then I just pull it along here. I just attach it to the carpeting there. Then I pull this off of here, attach this to the carpeting there. That sticks to there. Now I'm just going to go through and make sure the front is tucked in and tight. Yeah, beautiful. There we go. Done.